Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to avoid tolls on the Waze app. If you don't want to pay tolls while driving, Waze makes it super easy to customize your route and avoid tolls roads, helping you save money on your trips. To get started, first open the Waze app on your phone. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and tap Driving Preferences. Now, go to Navigation. Here, you'll see the option Avoid Tolls Roads. Simply toggle the switch on to enable it. And that's it. Waze will now automatically skip toll routes whenever possible. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.